Hello guys. All right. Today I will use the wire 100%. Cotton for the tutorial, 2 millimeters thick, and a 5M 2-stitch crochet needle. Let's start by making the magic ring. And inside it, I will work 7 single crochet. Now close the ring. I insert the needle into the first point. And here I work on 2 single crochet. Let's score the first point. And we will continue is working 2 single crochet. For each point on the base, we will take a total of 14 points. To continue, let's do the initial wire leftover finish. With tapestry needle, passing here inside the dots. Then I will remove the marker. And I will make a single crochet, just picking up the back handle of the next point. Mark this point. And for this round, we will work a single crochet. For each point on the base, inserting the needle only into the back handle. Will be a total of 14 points. Now that we're done, I'm going to remove the marker. And here where the marker was, I'll insert the needle. Now picking up the 2-stitch straps, I make a single crochet. Mark the point from the front, this way. Then we will work 1 single crochet for each base point. For 3 turns. To continue, now that we have finished all the point laps on, point I will make 1 chain. Let's turn the piece, and let's work 10 single crochet, being 1 point to each point on the base. Soon I finalized the 10 single crochet, and here are 4 empty points. Now we're going to climb some as rows, making 10 single crochet. So we will always start with 1 chain. Then we will make 1 single crochet for each base point. Let's work this way to career number 19. Ready? I have already finished all the rows with 10 single crochet. Now I will make 4 chains. I'm going to insert the needle here in this first single crochet, and I will make a single crochet. We will continue, making a single crochet for each point on the base, and also a single crochet for every storm we made. You can score the first point of this row. So here you will introduce the needle. Picking up this strap from under the chain, we'll work a single crochet for each current, totaling 14 points. Now we're going to do 2 more laps with 14 points. So let's insert the needle here at the first point, and let's start 2 turns from point to point. You can score that first single crochet. Here you can customize this piece to get the size of your glitter gloss. So here I made it the size of my piece, but you can modify, altering the length of the roses. Now we are going to work 6 slip stitch. After that, here right at the back of the piece, right in the center, I will work 7 streams. Then I will finish my tour working one slip stitch for each point on the base until we get there at the beginning. After doing this, I will cut my wire, leaving enough to do the finishing. With tapestry needle, now to enlarge our part. I made here one total of 41 chains, and I will make a slip stitch for each of the chains. So I jump the first gully, and I will work a slip stitch for each base current, totaling 40 slip stitch. In the end, we will cut the wire and finish with tapestry needle. Now with that cord, we are going to assemble one loop. This way, I show it here in the video. Here in the center of the EU loop, I will roll one thread of the same color. Then just stick the bow at the top of our piece. And that's the result of our crochet piece today. This wonderful gloss holder or lip holder in crochet with this ballerina shoe model. I hope you enjoyed it. And until the next class,